family told him to deliver it himself. Which now that I have. I took it, and on the way home I decided I wasn't going to be the delivery girl anymore. I tore the letter in half and put it in the worse, I lied and told them that my son didn't show up at the park because I was in a rush. And I went to bed that night feeling really
How did
smart
you
about
find
it.
out that
So then,
9-3-B?
Beneath the clock tower at 11:45.
I'm in a Jeep group for Blairsville, and I had heard of Beasley Knob, and I had seen the names and stuff, and I went online and asked them. It's been a couple months ago, because I've been thinking about doing this one for a while. And I said, so just so you know, our Jeep is called a stock Jeep, meaning we don't have it lifted up real high. And I said, can a stock Jeep make it through Beasley Knob? Because I don't want to do anything and break it, you know.
Yeah, it's a nice Jeep.
Yeah. And they said, yes, stay away from 93B. That's what they said.
Okay.
But
can't go forward a little bit?
Why?
Okay, that's good. I'm gonna stop.
Oh,
Never mind.
I'm sorry, what were you wanting?
I was gonna grab a twig.
Oh, we might get to another one you can grab in a minute. I'm sorry. I thought, never mind.
I haven't been back to Odyssey
You
since
thought
that night.
I was
I went
saying,
to work in Chicago.
come on, I'm tired of waiting. Move.
Well, I thought the sun was in your eyes while I was taking a picture.
Oh,
Except
no.
putting Odyssey again. I won't even deliver our flowers here.
So you don't know what became of Wendy?
No. Or her sister, Alicia. Her sister. Do you know Alicia?
She's in Odyssey, working for City Hall.
Michael, she's a senator. But why?
I don't know why. That's what I can't figure out. Somehow someone knows what I did at the anniversary 10 years ago, and I'm now being tortured for it.
What's that?
Did you reset the clock? Or why is it chiming?
No, I didn't. Is this normal, Alicia?
Nothing is normal anymore.
I'm sorry to bother you again, but we're in...
Give me just a second. I'm gonna...
I'm waiting.
Look at that.
That's beautiful. Imagine when all of these leaves are different colors.
Yeah, that'd be pretty.
That's quite steep. I don't think we'll be able to make it back up.
There's a different way out.
Okay. I'm trying to keep... Why?
Nothing. We're just really steep.
It's like a roller coaster.
A very slow roller coaster.
Imagine that. I'm going on a slow roller coaster, but it's going straight down.
I need the dogs to stay still.
I'm holding the dogs. I'm not even moving. Move.
Whew. That made Mama nervous. Make you nervous?
It didn't make me nervous, but with the girls on me, it did. Oh, Gidget. Why did he cause me so much pain?
Jesus, I no longer like to Jeep.
Well, I think you would like the Jeep, but not on such rough roads.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's freak out time.
Let's look.
Poor Pebbles. It doesn't sound rough. I'm squishing her.
It was like a